Second reason, tandem gliders can even fail or break when doing acro, and it has happened before. There was a popular model from a now defunct paragliding brand called Gradient. This model, the Golden, was very agile and used frequently for acro. It could spiral, do wingovers easily, as if flying a solo glider. But it often broke its central A lines, causing accidents. Though this tandem passed certification tests, in practice, it still broke under acrobatic use. A few years ago, a new Australian brand, Flow, experienced a similar issue with their tandem model, the Panorama 1, which they later fixed, but they had line breaks due to spirals. So practically, there is empirical evidence that tandem gliders can fail and break when doing acro. Not all tandems, of course, but we don't want to be in that small minority whose tandem glider breaks. And if we're using older gear or harnesses or separators, the risk increases even further when performing acro. Reason 3. In many parts of the world, performing acro or maneuvers with passengers is completely prohibited, either by associations, federations, or national law. Now, you might wonder, who cares? There's no air police to enforce this. Often, associations don't strictly enforce these rules, and national laws aren't always upheld because there's nobody to monitor them. As long as everything goes well, the client is happy and no one cares. But what if thing forces don't go well? What if an accident happens, a passenger is injured, or worse, there's a fatality? Then the problem begins. Because if you as a pilot broke a rule, either from an association or a national law, that accident is no longer just an unfortunate event. It becomes negligence or even a crime. Penalties can be severe in these cases. If everything goes well, everyone is happy. But in the event of an accident, authorities will investigate the pilot, and the pilot will need to show that everything they did was in accordance with the law. If anything wasn't, that accident becomes a negligence issue and therefore a criminal act.